This video is sponsored by NordVPN. Hi everyone, welcome to Drive and Fail 28. A lot of incidents happen in car parks, but they're usually involving people parking and scraping doors. But this car park looks empty. The wheel spin says it all. Some terrible weather and a BMW fast approaching. And the winner is the concrete wall. This is another hands up if you need lessons clip. I do think my viewer was a little fast to pull in behind this black four-wheel drive, but she had no idea what was going on around.
She knows she's in the wrong as well. Copping off.
For this clip we need to look up where the blue lorry is, and it's the black Mercedes that overtakes that we're watching. It looks as though that they ran out of talent quite quickly. In the comments, let's have a caption competition. What's being said between these two on the right? I'm not doing much to help with the stereotypes in this episode, am I? What a refreshing change. Joking apart, overtaking like we see in this clip and the previous few is lethal. No one's ever in that much of a rush unless you've got blue lights on. Before we go any further, I'd like to just have a quick talk about today's sponsor, NordVPN. Most of my viewers will know that NordVPN is a virtual private network which gives you an encrypted private connection between two machines. When you use this service, any internet sites that track user data will see NordVPN's information rather than your device information. This can have many benefits. If you use my link in the description, NordVPN are currently offering a huge discount, and that's if you choose the 2-year deal. You can easily choose where your connection seems to be originating from, helping you keep your data safe. But it also allows you to access certain video on demand services that might, for example, restrict views in the UK but will be visible in the US. NordVPN is also fast. In fact, it's the fastest VPN out there. It encrypts all of your traffic, so your internet service provider can't slow down your streaming speed. If you get NordVPN's deal using my link, it's also risk-free because it's covered by their 30-day money-back guarantee. I'm definitely happy with my subscription to NordVPN going forward because I've got a few exciting trips planned with my channel, so Nord's give me that extra peace of mind. Have a look down the left side of this JCB as it moves round the temporary roadworks. A lady emerging tries to knock over one of the road workers. I'm actually impressed on how calm he was about it. I've checked the reg and this van is not John. Is this smart or cheeky? Nice to see my viewer get to the brakes before the horn. This is how it should be done. Have a look at this perfectly normal meeting scenario. My viewer holds back for the oncoming cars. Great. Watch the car behind. Perfect, tucks in. So there's a space to move up again. Brilliant. And now we've got another vehicle coming the other way, so my viewer does the same. But watch the car from the back. Surely that's just got to be a case of I can't be bothered waiting. Let me know what you think in the comments.
One, it's incredibly woke.
An absolute classic, but I will add dangerous, example of a must overtake a lorry syndrome. I feel for you, mate.
The Last of Us Part 2 with both our getting absolutely tortured.
Watch the workie directing traffic, trying to be as helpful as they can. Nice one. Here's our normal dose of roundabout confusion. And here's our normal dose of late exiting.
Oh, yeah. What the hell was that?
I don't think you'll be shocked when you find out. My viewer is in lane 2 following for Warrington, and has a very close escape with the Range Rover driver that comes up on the left. It never ceases to amaze me when you see people like this who think they're so in the right, but they're actually so in the wrong. Don't forget your huge discount that NordVPN are currently offering if you click on my link in the description.
What? No! No, you're in that lane!
I'd like to say a massive thanks to all my viewers for sending in these brilliant clips once again. And for the final clip in this episode, we've possibly got a little bit of karma. Or have we? Stopping at a red light when there are temporary roadworks seems optional for some people. But in this clip, for all us drivers who try to do the right thing, at first glance we seem to have a little bit of payback. Watch the next car that passes. Thinking about it though, were they just using their blues to skip the queue also? Or were they really going to pull a few of those cars over? See you soon.